Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Open the Notes app and Reminders now. Create a simple note and a quick reminder so you begin working immediately. You should enable iCloud Sync in Settings. This keeps everything available on your other devices. Once done, tap the new note, add text, then tap the Reminders button to link a task. Make sure to assign dates or locations. This ensures notifications fire. If you prefer folders, create one now to organize content before you add lots of items. Now refine how you organize. Create folders and use tags and notes to filter content quickly. You can pin important notes to the top. This keeps urgent info visible. In Reminders, add a date and time, or choose a location-based trigger so a reminder appears when you arrive or leave. Use subtasks for multi-step items. Also, attach photos or scan documents into a note. This keeps context with your tasks. By doing this, you reduce friction and finish by verifying your workflow. Review notification settings so reminders alert you at the right time. Check notes formatting and tag consistency. If something goes wrong, force quit the app and restart the phone. This often clears hiccups. If sync fails, sign out and back into your Apple ID and confirm iCloud storage isn't full. Once fixed, test by creating a new note and reminder. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last step. This resolves many sync and notification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.